In 1990, my friend Bob and I had heard about this guy Tyree Guyton in Detroit, who had transformed his neighborhood in the middle of the ghetto into an open-air artwork called the Heidelberg Project. We had to go, and on the way we were going to stop in Ann Arbor to find the trailer park where Iggy Pop was born. Supposedly the Astorbergs, Iggy's real name, still maintained a trailer there. Of course, we didn't know which of the four parks it was at, but in the end we were successful, and here's the proof signed by the man himself. By then it was getting late, so we headed on to Detroit, heading downtown sometime after dark. We found a hotel, but when we tried to find a place to unwind, discovered there wasn't much open. So we turned in, setting off early the next day, heading into the heart of the East Side ghetto. We spent about an hour cruising some pretty scary neighborhoods and thought we were totally lost when we turned a corner and found ourselves driving into a dream. We had entered the mind of a true artist because the entire block had been turned into a giant three-dimensional collage. Almost every surface was adorned by trash and trinkets, from the houses to the trees. It was really amazing. For the next half hour or so, we wandered up and down the block, taking in the sights and snapping some photos. While we were looking at what seemed to be the main structure, two men came over and joined us. They turned out to be Tyree Guyton and his grandfather Sam. Tyree told us the story about how the whole project started. He was going out one night, and while walking past the abandoned house next door, it began talking to him. The voice told Tyree that it was his mission in life to beautify this house and the whole area. So with the encouragement of his grandfather, that is what he did. Moved by the man's story, I took off my lime green Hawaiian shirt and added it to the piece we were standing in front of. We took a picture with Tyree and Sam before hitting the road again. I'm just really sorry we didn't stay longer and take more pictures.